description.
Well, hello. This is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a YY vegetarian masala variety. This is part of a series called Meet the Manufacturer that I kind of stopped doing for quite a while. But I'm back, baby. I'm back. And it's reviews. I talk to a company. I do, there's a little bit of, so I do an interview. I basically send a company a questionnaire. They answer that and give like company background and history. They're all softball questions, so they can like tell you all about how great they are and stuff like that. And then, they do the review. And they, or the questionnaire, and then I do an unboxing video. This is all stuff that comes out on the first day of Meet the Manufacturer. And then, once that's all said and done, the, there we go. No, 3. Yeah, once that's all done, I start reviewing, and this will be going for like a week, maybe more. I can't remember how many varieties they sent, but yeah. And it's going pretty well so far, I'd say. With words and talking and such. So yeah, there you go. It's August, the 15th of August, 2025. It's morning. It's 9:41. I've got until 10:15 to do this one and one more. And I am very pleased to report, even though I don't have the new lens yet, I've been getting some really good pictures out of that DSLR. I've figured out the right way to have like the mode setting. I think I have it on TV, not like television, but it sets to f-stop. And then I've got it for cloudy because it's cloudy. I've got the shutter speed right now. I think it's at I can't remember. And then it's at 130? I don't know. Is 1/100 better? I don't know. Maybe I should ratchet that up. Maybe I'm going the opposite direction. I'm trying to make the shutter go faster. But it's coming out super, super slick. And then the ISO is set at 400. So, yeah, so far so good. And I like that. Now this is a vegetarian masala, and I have vegetables. I can't find my dang carrots. I don't know where my carrots are. But if I did, I would use those in here. I would have sliced them up thin. Big problem I'm having today, though, is actually, I'm not really having a big problem today. I don't know what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thirsty, though. I could use a beverage. Do I have any? Oh, no. No beverage there. By the way, I got a new case for my phone. I'm kind of excited about it. It's a new phone case. I used to be using a Galaxy S9 for the Bluetooth for the thing deal. What happened here? Oh. Yeah, the problem I'm having is I'm not paying attention to what's going on. Man. We're gonna heat this up. I had it off. What? What's going on with me? Let's get it so it just comes to a boil. I know the next one will be 5 minutes, so let's set that. I'm like blabbing and you're probably watching the pot and going, oh dude, that's not boiling. And you're right, you're right, you're right. Okay, there we go. So let's do this up. More worried about showing you my phone than the noodles. Actually, I'm more worried about showing you the noodles than my phone. So we got 2 sets of sachets. We've got a chili powder. It's just a straight, tiny little sachet of chili powder, folks. Which I think these are great. Yep, the whole thing. We got our powder. Powder base. And then we've got our seasoned onion oil stuff here. Now the first one I did of this series, the seasoned onion oil really came through. It had a really nice oniony flavor. Let's see how this goes. Then we're gonna get on the stick because we gotta hurry here. I'm down to 28 minutes. I can't find the spoon, but here's the broth. Buttery. I like that. That's good. That might be my, I'll have to think about it, but that might be my favorite one that I've had thus far. That one's really good. It's kind of like a buttery veg with a really nice masala. Okay, there's that. So what do we got to add? Well, red bell pepper. Kind of excited about doing this one too because I'm using my new camera. I'm curious to see how the colors work on that. I think they'll do well. Seed. A little rotation. Ooh, what happened there? Oh, that's okay. And yeah, there we go. Metal. All right, thanks for watching. This is going to be the last one of the week. This is Dynamite. This is YY Dynamite Extra Spicy Chicken 2X. So yeah, that's next. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.